I am Angelito Abondo Jr. and I am 34 years old and I live in Barangay Marcelo Green Village, Parañaque City, and I am applying for a butcher position and I bring over 8 years of hands-on experience in the meat industry. And right now, I manage the butchery department at Bicotan Wheat Market and overseeing staff, maintaining inventory, and ensure food safety and serving customer with depth knowledge at meat cut and process. And before that, I spent 5 years at Meat World International INC as a meat merchandiser, and we are handle cutting, trimming, deboning, and improve operational process, and even work on the kill floor slaughtering various livestock, and also manage packing, winning, and labeling with strict attention to guidelines. And I hold this in situ certificate in slaughtering operation and food processing, and but valid for several more years, plus additional training in swine slaughtering. Yeah.